Do you have your ID, sir?
I'm not required to give you ID, sir.
Yes, you are.
No, I am not. This is not a stop and ID state, and I'm not the driver. You're incorrect.
All right.
What's your name and badge number, sir?
Officer Taylor, 1396.
Well, you need to get a refresher course in the laws.
Have a better day, sir.
Hey, here's my ID.
Hold on a second. I need your business
You want to
card.
contest it? You can appear in court.
I want your business card, and I want the other guy in the
I don't
sergeant.
have any business cards to hand out.
I found my ID for you.
Smart drivers understand the power of accountability, especially when dealing with law enforcement officers who fail to uphold the law, as stated in Warren v. United States, 1996. The Fourth Amendment permits police to stop a vehicle if they have probable cause to believe a traffic violation has occurred. However, this power comes with the expectation that officers themselves adhere to the same laws they enforce. In the video, the officer is seen speeding, failing to use turn signals, and crossing lane lines, clear violations of traffic laws. By documenting this behavior, the driver not only exposes the hypocrisy, but also holds the officer accountable. This is a critical step in ensuring that law enforcement operates transparently and within the bounds of the law.
You have your license and registration, sir?
For what?
Well, for multiple reasons. Do you have your license and registration, sir?
Are you on duty?
What's that?
Are you on duty?
Yes, sir, I am.
All right. So you
Can I
think
have your
it's
license and registration, please?
Can you get your sergeant here?
What's that?
Can you get your sergeant here?
I've got one coming. Can I have license and registration, please?
For what reason?
License and registration.
For what
please.
reason?
License and registration because I'm conducting a traffic stop. License and registration, please.
Traffic stop for what?
Go ahead and hand me your license, please.
Traffic stop for what?
Let me have your license, please, and I'll explain everything. If you're getting pulled over on a traffic stop, yes, and the officer asks you for ID, you have to provide identification.
I know, but what am I being stopped for?
I'll explain everything in a second. Maybe your ID, please. Do you have the registration and insurance for the vehicle? Passenger, do you have any ID, sir? Passenger, do you have any ID?
I'm not required to answer your questions.
Sorry?
I'm not required to produce ID nor answer your questions. You can shut the hell up and mind your own business about who I am.
Do you have your ID, sir?
I'm not required to give you ID, sir.
Yes, you are.
No, I am not. This is not a stop and ID state, and I'm not the driver. You're incorrect.
All right.
What's your name and badge number, sir?
Officer Taylor, 1396.
Well, you need to get a refresher course in the laws. You need to get a refresher course in the laws. See, if I was driving, that's one thing. I'm not driving. And this ain't a stop and ID state. And even if it was, you need reasonable articulable suspicion that I've done something. Go get schooled somewhere, sir. Jackass, another tyrant with a badge, obviously. Well, number one, he was flying up the road, going well above the speed limit. Obviously not on a car, he wouldn't have stopped us. Number two, he was switching lanes without using his turn signal. And number three, he was trying to request ID from me, which is not gonna fucking happen. So we're gonna have another one coming. Let's see which one this is. Is he coming up?
Yeah, they're all back in the padlock.
Okay.
I need your card.
All right. There's your information.
I need your card.
No, that'd be
And I need their two as well.
You need their what?
I need their ID cards.
They can give you their information. I'm talking to you right now as a sergeant. What, do you want to speak with me as a sergeant?
Yeah, I want to know why I'm being stopped.
Yeah, the officer will tell you that, okay?
You're the sergeant?
Yes, I'm the sergeant.
Can I get your name and badge number?
It's right there.
Oh, so you can't say it?
Judge.
Do what?
I can't read it.
I'm talking to him right now, sir.
I can't read it.
Okay,
Your pins are in front of it.
What's your attitude?
Yeah, there's another tyrant.
Is that how you
My name is Sergeant Cormerling.
Okay, thank you.
5155.
It's simple professionalism. It's not that hard.
Okay, I'm talking to one person at a time, sir.
I understand.
Is there anything else you want to speak with me about? He can tell you everything about that, about the car stop. Do you want to speak to me about anything else?
I'd like to speak to you.
I just want to know why I'm being stopped.
I don't know if it was speeding. I don't know what it was. Did he tell you anything?
No, he said he doesn't know yet.
Okay. Well, he'll talk to you about all that, okay? Anything else with me?
Yeah, well, depending on what happens with him.
Do what?
Depends on what he says.
Okay. And that's it right now?
Yeah, but I would hang tight in case it depends on what he
Okay.
says.
All right. All right. Just find your registration or at least proof of sale and your insurance. Can I see it, please? Thank you. Let me see your ID again. Sergeant gave it back. Didn't realize I wasn't done with it. You have
Okay.
you still have that proof of insurance, sir.
I have it on my phone.
Okay. Can I see it, please?
Why did you stop me?
What's that?
Why did you stop me?
I'll discuss that in a second. When you find the insurance, please.
So you're fishing.
What's that?
So you're fishing?
No,
or-
I'm not fishing. Who's your insurance through?
American Family Insurance.
Okay.
The same on the plate.
Okay, it's not on your plate, sir. If you'll do me a favor, please pull up your insurance.
I gotta update the app real quick.
What's that?
I'm updating my app real quick.
Okay, that's fine.
And I know it's tied in with my registration on the
Okay,
plate.
the state of Indiana, you're required to provide proof of financial responsibility either by paper or by phone. If you can't do that, then that's a separate issue we can address. If you have it, that's great. Okay, work on getting that for me. Grandpa, were you able to get your insurance? May I see it, please?
You can look at it right here.
Disconnect your phone so I can look at it. I gotta make sure the policy's right and everything.
I'll zoom in for it.
That would be wonderful. Thank you. Okay, do me a favor. I'm not gonna take your phone. Just hand it out. I'm not gonna reach inside your vehicle.
It's right here. No, I don't know. You can look
I'm
at
a
it right
police
here.
officer. Officer Hauser, the sergeant's here. Hand the
right
phone
here.
out, please, so I can look at it. Thank you.
You're not going through my phone.
Disconnect it, please. That way I can.
It's right here. You can read it and write it down.
That doesn't have when the policy expires. Yes, it does. I'm sorry.
Never permit cops to take or touch your items to confirm anything they may view but not take. A smart driver knows their rights and exercises them confidently during a traffic stop, according to Hebel Veru 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, 2004. A passenger in a vehicle is not required to provide identification unless there is reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. In the video, the passenger correctly asserts this right, refusing to provide ID when asked without justification. This highlights the importance of understanding state-specific laws and constitutional protections. The driver, on the other hand, is obligated to provide identification and proof of insurance as per Delaware Visos Prouse, 1979, which states that drivers must comply with lawful requests during a traffic stop. By knowing these distinctions, the individuals in the video effectively challenge the officer's overreach and maintain their rights.
610 of 20. Okay, it's not that hard. Okay, the reason I stopped you is because you came to a sudden stop up on the highway. I was checking to see who you were. Okay, and you came to a sudden stop on the highway. Okay.
We got you countless times.
What's that?
Illegal lane changes, speeding.
Well, you didn't make proper lane changes, but I was checking
Yes,
to
I
see if
did.
you
I
were
use my
okay.
turn signal every time.
What's that?
I use my turn signal every time.
Look, it doesn't.
Well,
look,
we'll agree to
we
this.
got a video. We got a
Do me a
video.
favor, just sit tight. Let me finish your ticket, and then I'll be right up.
We got a video of his lack of signals. We got a video of his speed. Let him do it. Just let him do it.
So there's your license, paperwork, there's your citation for obstruction of justice and speed. Have a better day, sir.
Hey, here's my
Hold on
ID.
a second. I need your
You
business
want to
card.
contest it? You can appear in court.
I want your business card, and I want the other guy in the
I don't have
sergeant.
any business cards to hand out.
I found my ID for you,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I
dickhead.
need your business card.
I don't have a business card.
You don't have any proof
Nope.
of identification that you hand out.
No, I'm on video right now. I'm on video, and my name is Sergeant Cormelink, 5155.
What's his other guy's?
Do what?
What's the other guy's name and badge number?
I don't know his badge number yet. You can ask him if you want.
Name and badge number.
Officer Jake Hassler.
So is there anything else you need from me, sir?
1454. All right, thanks, sir.
That's for court. I'm not going to dispute anything. That's not for us.
I'm
Me
about
and you
to file a complaint against him.
Okay, that's for internal affairs. You can come down Monday through Friday and do that, okay? You need to do it in person. You have to sign it, okay? Anything else?
There's no online.
No, there's nothing. I don't believe there's anything online. You have to sign
With the Corona, can you still get in there to do it?
Call ahead of time just to make sure. I don't think, as far as I know, you can, but I don't want to. So, okay, is there anything else?
Don't be a douche.
All right, have a good day.
And give this
Being a dick.
ID to the other guy.
The irony in this situation is glaring. The officer was the one caught on video committing traffic violations, such as speeding, improper lane changes, and failing to use turn signals. Despite this, the driver was the one cited for obstruction of traffic and/or speeding, which highlights a clear double standard. This discrepancy underscores the importance of documenting interactions with law enforcement, as established in Hyen v. North Carolina, 2014. An officer's mistake of law can still justify a stop if it is reasonable, but this does not excuse officers from violating the very laws they enforce. The video evidence not only exposes the officer's hypocrisy, but also serves as a powerful tool to challenge the validity of the citations in court. It's a prime example of how smart drivers can use evidence to hold law enforcement accountable for their actions and push for systemic change. By doing so, they ensure that no one is above the law, not even those sworn to uphold it. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.